I washed my face this morning. I washed my face this morning.
She cooked rice for dinner. She cooked rice for dinner.
He walked to school yesterday. He walked yesterday. They played football after class. They played football after class. We watched a movie last night. We watched a movie last night.
Oh, what did you watch?
It was an adventure story.
I visited my grandmother last weekend. Oh, how lovely. I brought you these flowers. I visited my grandmother last weekend.
She cleaned her room yesterday. She cleaned her room yesterday.
He opened the door slowly. He opened the door slow.
We finished our homework early. We finished our homework. No more studying tonight. Time to relax.
I called my friend last night. I called my friend last night.
He helped his mother in the kitchen.
That's right, dear. You're a big help.
He helped his mother in the kitchen.
She listened to music in the car. She listened to music in the car.
I bought a new shirt. 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 They started work at 8 o'clock. They started work at 8 o'clock.
She went to the market. She went to market.
We waited for the bus. We waited for the bus. We saw a beautiful bird. We saw a beautiful bird.
I made coffee this morning. I made coffee this morning.
She took a photo. She took a photo. She took a photo.
I got this book for you.
He gave me a book. He gave me a book.
They came home late.
They came home late. We had breakfast at 7.
We have had breakfast at 7.
I met my teacher yesterday. I met my teacher yesterday.
She read a story last night. She read a story last night.
He wrote an email. He wrote an email. They ran in the park.
Woohoo! This is fun! Yeah, let's go faster! I can run all day! Me too!
They ran in the park. We slept early last night. They danced at the party.
This is so much fun!
They danced at the party.
She bought some apples yesterday. She bought some apples yesterday.
He woke up late this morning. He woke up late this morning.
I answered the question in class. I answered the question in class.
He sat on a bench in the park.
He sat on a bench in the park. What a peaceful day to read.
They ate dinner at a restaurant. They ate dinner at a restaurant.
She washed her clothes yesterday. She washed her clothes yesterday.
I took the bus to work. I took the bus to work.
She bought bread at the bakery. She bought bread at the bakery.
He studied English last night. He studied English night. We talked for an hour. We talked for an hour.
I watered the flowers this morning. I watered the flowers this morning.
He drank tea after dinner. He drank tea after dinner.
She taught English yesterday. She taught English yesterday.
They played in the playground.
Hey, let's go on the slide.
Okay, I'll race you.
They played in the playground. I sent a message to my friend. I sent a message to my friend.
She found her keys under the sofa. She found her keys under the sofa.
He swam in the sea last weekend. He swam in the sea last weekend.
They watched a funny movie. They watched a funny movie.
She tried on a red dress. She tried on a red dress.
I closed the window last night. I closed the window last night.